Imagine making $178,000 a year as a senior software engineer. You've made it, right? Now imagine your coworker in the mailroom makes $32,000 a year. You earn more than 5 times what he does. So logically, you should have 5 times the savings. But when a $900 car repair hits, you're moving money between checking and savings trying to avoid overdraft fees. And he just pays it. Calm, no stress. If that sounds insane or uncomfortably familiar, welcome to the 6-figure poverty trap. And no, it's not about being bad with money. It's about math and psychology. Let's start with reality. Out of $178,000, Aaron, our engineer, he takes home about $108,000 after taxes and insurance. That's roughly 39% gone before he touches it. Meanwhile, Travis in the mailroom keeps around $27,400 from his $32,000 salary. He loses about 14%. Here's what most people don't realize. Every raise Aaron gets is taxed at nearly 47 cents on the dollar, depending on where he lives. Travis, he keeps around 70 plus cents of every extra dollar. So Aaron works harder, gets promoted, earns more. But the system takes a bigger bite every time. And that's just the beginning. High earners don't just pay more taxes, they pay more to look successful. Aaron pays $2,400 a month for a respectable apartment near work. Travis pays $900 for a normal 1-bedroom. That's an $18,000 yearly difference. Not for luxury, not for safety, for optics. Because in certain industries, living too far away or too cheap sends signals. Perception affects opportunity, so Aaron pays a career insurance premium just to stay in the game. Here's where it gets really interesting. Aaron has a professional maintenance bill. $3,000 a year on work clothes, $2,400 on team lunches, $7,600 on transportation, $1,800 on conferences, $1,800 on happy hours. That's over $16,000 a year just to stay visible. Add housing premium, and we're nearing $35,000 plus in lifestyle costs directly tied to his income level. Travis doesn't face that pressure. Aaron isn't spending recklessly. He's spending to belong, and belonging is expensive. Aaron also carries $48,000 in student loans. He pays $540 a month 9 years later. That degree helped him earn $178,000. Absolutely, but it's still costing him over $6,000 a year. Travis, no degree, no debt. Higher income doesn't mean lower pressure. Sometimes it means the opposite. After all expenses, Aaron has about $60,000 left for actual living. Travis has about $15,500. Aaron still has more, but here's the catch. Aaron is expected to save $26,000 plus per year for retirement. He's supposed to invest, upgrade, buy property, travel internationally. He's too rich to live cheaply and too stretched to live comfortably. That tension, that's the trap. Money stress isn't about income. It's about margin. If you earn $32,000 and spend $30,000, you feel tight. If you earn $178,000 and spend $170,000, you feel tight. Your nervous system doesn't care about the number. It cares about breathing room, and lifestyle inflation quietly erases that breathing room. Here's the uncomfortable truth. To escape, you have to violate your income bracket, live below what your peers expect, drive the paid-off car, skip the $25 lunches, automate savings before lifestyle expands, stop performing success, start building freedom, because wealth isn't income. Wealth is options. And the real flex is when a $900 bill doesn't change your mood. If this hit close to home, hit subscribe, because next we're breaking down how lifestyle inflation traps high earners faster than low earners, and how to reverse it before your next raise disappears. I'll see you in the next one.